Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Shunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss about factorial number using recursion in C++. This is continuation of our previous video, factorial number in C++. Please go through previous video before going through this video. What is factorial number? Factorial number means to multiply a series of descending natural numbers. The formula to calculate factorial of a number is n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial. For example, if you want to calculate 5 factorial, then 5 factorial equal to 5 into 5 minus 1 factorial. Here 5 minus 1 factorial means 4 factorial. That means we need to calculate 4 factorial. 4 into 4 minus 1 factorial. Then we need to calculate 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 1 factorial and 0 factorial. Finally, 5 factorial equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 equal to 120. The default value for 0 factorial equal to 1. We will discuss this logic over Visual Studio. Launch Visual Studio and create C++ application. I already created C++ application. Here we have main method. Main method is the entry point for an execution. First point is we need to read input from command prompt. To store the input, we need to declare one variable int input cout. Please provide input number. To read input from command prompt, we will use cin input. Next, we need to check input is valid or not. If input less than 0, cout invalid number, else. Here we need to call factorial method. Still we didn't create factorial method. Factorial of input. Now implement factorial method. Here static int factorial of int input. Here we need to check condition if input equal to 0 or input equal to 1, return 1, else return input into factorial of input minus 1. Here factorial method returning integer, we need to store this return value in integer variable. Declare integer variable int result. Later we need to print result cout input factorial equal to result. We will execute this program without debugging, that means Control F5. Please provide input number -4 invalid number, Control F5, 0, here 0 factorial is equal to 1, Control F5, 1, here 1 factorial is equal to 1, Control F5, 5 factorial is equal to 120. We will discuss this program through debugging to understand flow of execution. Put breakpoint here, go to debug, click on start debugging or F5, later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging, F11. We need to read input from command prompt. Please provide input number 3, enter. Here we are checking condition like input is less than 0, 3 less than 0, false, it will go to else part. Here we are calculating factorial of input, that means factorial of 3, F11. Here input equal to 3, 3 equal to 0 or 3 equal to 1, false, it will go to else part. Here input into factorial of input minus 1, that means 3 into factorial of 3 minus 1, that means factorial of 2. Here we are calling factorial method. What is recursion? The function calls itself is called recursion. Here factorial method calling itself, this is called recursion. F11. Now input is equal to 2. Here this condition false, it will also else part. Here now 2 into factorial of 2 minus 1, that means factorial of 1 Now input is equal to 1. If input equal to 1, return 1. Now it will provide output as 1 into 2 into 3, that means 6. Here input 2, later input is equal to 3, that means 1 into 2 into 3, and return the output. The result is equal to 6 and print the result. We are getting output as 3 factorial is equal to 6. In this program, first 3 lines we are getting input from command prompt. Here we are checking input is valid or not. Then it will go to else part. Here we are calling factorial method. Here we have logic to calculate factorial of a number. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.